Hello, 6A. Now that you have finished your research on your Roman structures, now you get to apply that knowledge and show me what you learned. Choose one of the 6 projects that I'm about to go over and follow the directions on that slide. Please do not go to stores. Stay home, stay safe, do the best job you can with this project. Use the research from last week to complete your project, even if that means you have to do a little bit more research. When you're done with your project, attach it in Google Classroom and show it off in Flipgrid. Your project will be due on May 2nd. That is 2 weeks to work on this project. So this week I am not going to give you any other social studies work. I want you to unplug a little bit and do this project. Then next week you will still be able to work on the project, but I am going to start giving you some other ancient Rome assignments. So here are your 3 projects. The first one is probably going to be the hardest because I don't want you going to stores. But if you have materials around the house like Legos, you might be able to make a 3D model. So here you're going to make a model of your project. It should look like the real one, showing details of your structure. So you need to be able to show the different layers of the roads, the inner and outer details of the Colosseum, and the aqueduct. Labels are going to be super important so you can show off your understanding. To turn this project in, take a picture of it just as I have here, or maybe even a video, and attach it in Google Classroom. Then head over to Flipgrid. This is going to be an easy one to show off in Flipgrid and talk about what you learned and talk about your structure. The next one is a Minecraft video. This one's going to be kind of fun for you if you like Minecraft. You create a video of your structure in Minecraft. It should look like the real one, and then create a video and upload it either to Google Drive or YouTube and attach it in Google Classroom. This one might be a little bit harder to show off in Flipgrid, but maybe you can play it on your mobile device while Flipgrid is going on your Chromebook. A third option is to make a drawing of your structure. Now the 2 examples I have here are pretty elaborate, and I'm not going to expect anything this fancy under the circumstances that we're currently in. Please though, use color and label all the important parts. If you want to do something on Google Draw and do a drawing digitally, that is perfectly acceptable as well. But again, use your labels. If you do a hand drawing, take a picture and attach it in Google Drive. If you do it digital, it's going to be attached to Google Drive very easily. Again, after you have it turned into Google Drive, head over to Flipgrid and show off your drawing. You could make a website. If you like making websites or you want to learn how to make a website, create a website for your structure and talk about all the different parts of your structure. Include different pages for the construction of your structure, how it was built, why it was built, and its impact on structures today. Now, your structure is a tourist attraction, so include where to find it, information about tours, and contact information. You can make some of that up. On each of your web pages on your website, include pictures, links, and text that gives a full description of your tourist attraction. When you're done, make sure you publish your website so I can see it and give me that link in Google Classroom. Then head over to Flipgrid. An essay is another option. So this would be a 2-paragraph essay as I've outlined here on the screen. Paragraph 1 should include a topic sentence and at least 3 additional sentences telling about your structure, its appearance, size, shape, materials, and a concluding sentence. Paragraph 2 should include a topic sentence, at least 3 additional sentences telling me why it was built, why it's important, and how it affected today. Then add a concluding sentence and attach this in Google Classroom. I would appreciate this to be typed in Google Docs, that way I can read it in Google Classroom very easily. Now your notes that you took last week are set up to help you with this very easily. When you're done, turn it into Google Classroom and then read the essay on Flipgrid to us. Your final option is just to do a Google slideshow like I'm showing you right now. Include the following on each slide: why it was built, how it was built, who built it, how it looks today, and how it influenced future structures. Make sure you have pictures on every slide and to write in your own words. Try to keep 20 words per slide at the most. You need at least 5 slides. When you're done, turn it into Google Classroom and head over to Flipgrid. So those are your choices. You have 6 options. If you have another idea you want to do, just send me a message and we'll talk about it. You have 2 weeks to do this project. Do the best you can. Have fun with it. Try to unplug a little bit. Even though some of these are computer-based projects, you do have options to do non-computer-based projects to get you off that computer a little bit. I hope all is well. I miss you guys tremendously. I can't wait to see you again. Keep up the good work. I appreciate everything you are doing. Send me a message if you need any help or you have any questions. This presentation will be posted in Google Classroom right along with this video. Take care all.